Hi, welcome to Bonita Springs. I'm Dawn Bray, Luxury Real Estate Advisor with Premier Plus Realty. This 2022 built home is located at 4211 Tarpon Avenue and is less than 2 miles from the beach. I think you're going to love it. Let's take a look. This home has over 2,300 square feet of living space, a fabulous open floor plan, and is offered completely furnished. Enjoy entertaining in the huge gourmet kitchen, which includes a plethora of cabinet space, a large center island, and an open kitchen dining space, making it perfect for family gatherings. The owner suite is spacious and includes large his and her closets and a luxurious bath featuring dual sinks, a standalone soaking tub, and walk-in shower with a frameless glass enclosure. The transition from indoor to outdoor living is seamless with plenty of sliders leading to the vast covered lanai and your own private pool and spa surrounded by a backyard tropical oasis. The best part of this home is its location, close to the beach but not in a flood zone, within walking distance to restaurants and shops and a short ride to downtown Bonita and Naples. Thanks for joining me. Once again, I'm Dawn Bray, and I work with buyers and sellers all over Southwest Florida. I was just voted Bonita's Best Realtor for the 2nd year in a row. You can take a closer look at this home on my website, dawnbrayrealtor.com, then call me for your own personal tour at 239-297-4020.